Welcome to the Codeless One tutorial on data import. Imagine having a spreadsheet teeming with hundreds of client details and the need to get them into your app without manual entry. We've got your back. Let's go through the process using client details as our example. Head over to the application settings and click on Import Data and select from Excel sheet. To start, simply drag and drop your client details file or fetch it from your desktop. With your file uploaded, it's time to lay the groundwork. Start by selecting the header row, so our system can distinguish column names. Next, define the first data row to let us know where the client data commences. Next, choose where this data should reside in your app. A drop-down will appear, showcasing all the objects from your portal. In this case, opt for Client. Here's where efficiency kicks in. If the headers in your Excel sheet correspond with our system, it'll automatically map them. If there's a mismatch, pair each column with the right property. Now, review your import details. You'll see a summary, the total number of records from your sheet and how many are set to be imported. All set? If everything looks spot on, the Yes Import button lights up. Click it and watch as your data seamlessly integrates into your app. And that's how you feed your app with data effortlessly. The data import makes sure every piece of information finds its right place. Dive in, explore more, and make your app data rich.